Hey guys, welcome to your composite review part 1 quiz. Right here, we're going to do the right hand side of your review today, okay? So if you have this in front of you, that'll be great. I'm going to have to be moving it up and down, or I'm going to let you guys look at it yourself while I'm doing the problem, all right? So let's go ahead and start with number 11. On number 11, we have B of 2, so we're going to go to B. And we're going to plug in 2 wherever B is. So you have 2 times 2 minus 2. Oop, I kind of got ahead of myself. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. And so you have B of 2 is equal to square root of 2. Just like that. All right. Next part, number 12, we're going to take a look at E. We're going to substitute negative 4 wherever E is. So you're going to have negative 4 squared minus 1. Please put parentheses around your negative 4. When you square something, you have a positive. 16 minus 1 comes out to be 15. So E of negative 4 is 15. Okay. Number 13, I'm going to start here and try to finish over here. Some of you might want different sheets of paper to do your math. All right, so we're going to start off with D first. Start inside out, so I'm going to substitute 2 times 4 squared, which comes out to be 16 times 2, which is 32. Now I'm going to plug that in into C. So C is now 32, and here you have 32 squared plus 2 times 32 minus 1. And you can plug all that into the calculator, okay, just like so. So you'll have 32, let's turn this on, parentheses, 32, I like to put parentheses around them, plus 2 times 32 minus 1, comes out to be 1,087. So, C of D of 4. Number 14, here we go. So we're going to start off with E. So I'm going to plug this in, so you have 5 squared minus 1, which comes out to be 24. Okay, so that was E of 5. And now I'm going to go plug that into D. So my new x value is 24, and D is 2 times 24 squared. And you can pretty much just type that into your calculator. 2 parentheses 24 squared comes out to be 1,152. So D of E of 5 is equal to 1,152. Okay. Let's look at number 15. We're going to start with A of negative 1. All right. So we're going to plug this in. 6 times negative 1 minus 2, which comes out to be negative 8. That's our new x. We're going to plug that into E. The x value is negative 8, and E is negative 8 squared minus 1. And negative 8 times negative 8 is 64, so that comes out to be 63. So E of A of negative 1 comes out to be 63. So you can write this original, or you can write that one. Either way. Okay. Let's go to number 16. All right. So we're going to start off with D of 0. So we're going to go to D. 2 times 0 squared. 0 squared is 0 times 2 is 0. We're going to plug that into our new value for A function. A of 0. And A is 6 times x. So x is 0 minus 2. 6 times 0 is 0 minus 2 is negative 2. So you have A of D of 0. Okay. Number 17. So we're going to start off with B first. B of negative 2. So B, you have square root 2 times negative 2 minus 2. Do me a favor. If it's a negative, do not take care of the I first. Do it later. Okay? So this you have 2 parentheses, negative 2 minus 2. Parentheses, minus 2. Right? Comes out to be negative 6. Do not take out that I at this moment. Plug it in into your D. It's a square root of negative square root of 6. And D, you have 2 times x squared, so square root of negative 6 squared. See what happens to a square and a square root? They cancel out. So now you have 2 times negative 6, which is negative 12, okay? So D of square root of negative 6 is equal to negative 12. Or you can write D of negative 2. Let's go to number 18. We're going to start with E of 3. So I'm going to substitute 3 wherever I see an x. So 3 squared minus 1. 3 squared is 9, minus 1 is 8. And now we're going to be a new x substituted into B. Okay? And so you have square root, 2 times 8 minus 2. 2 times 8, 16. 16 minus 2 is 14. So B of 8. Now notice I'm writing my answers in different forms. See all that? Just to let you know I can take either one. Okay? Number 19. We're going to start with B first. B of negative 3. So square root 2 times negative 3 minus 2. 2 times negative 3 minus 2 comes out to be negative 8. Square root of negative 8. We're going to substitute that into our D function. And D is 2 times square root of negative 8 squared. Those cancel out. 2 times negative 8 comes out to be negative 16. Okay. You guys are doing good. Alright, let's go ahead and do number 20. Okay, starting off with B of 8, negative 8. So B, square root, 2 times negative 8 minus 2. So 2 times negative 8 minus 2, no fractions please, I meant no decimals, equals square root of negative 18. Negative 18, okay? So that was our B of 8. Now we're going to plug that into your A, square root of negative 18. So A is 6 times square root of negative 18 minus 2. So that comes out to be 6 square root of negative 18 minus 2. Don't take that out yet. Do it later. You can do it now if you want to. Okay? So that was B and then A, and now we're back to D. Alright. So D, you're going to have 6 square root of 18 minus 2. So what do you have? 2 times 6 square root of 18 minus 2 squared. I'm going to get a little piece of paper so you guys have some room, okay? Okay, here we go. So number 18. Oh, that bothers me. It's not straight. There we go. So you have your 2. That means you have 2 of these. By the way, it's negative 18 minus 2. 6 times square root of negative 18 minus 2. See how you have 2 of them? All right. Bring down your 2. You're going to have to multiply. First term. You see that right there? Parentheses. 6 times 6 is 36. Square root of negative 18 times square root of negative 18 is just negative 18. Because when you square them, the radical goes away. You have 2 of them. See, that goes away. Okay? And then you have your outside last term. Or you can do this one first. Outside, 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. Square root of negative 18, and you got 2 of them. Okay? And then you have your last term. Negative 2 times negative 2 is plus 4. Just a moment. Okay. Combine your like terms. 2. Let's go ahead and multiply 36 times negative 18. Comes out to be negative 648. Minus negative 12 minus 12 is negative 24. Square root of negative 18. Notice I haven't changed the I yet. Plus 4. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and take care of the I now. So 2, negative 648 minus 24I. square root of 18 plus 4. Can I go ahead and combine my like terms here? Absolutely. 2. Negative 648 plus 4 is negative 644 minus 24i, square root of 18. Distribute your 2. Comes out to be negative 1,288 minus 48i, square root of 18. So there you have your D of A of B of negative 8. That's a D. Okay? Number 20 is not hard. It just takes a little bit of time. Okay? Good luck. You guys will do great on this quiz. Bye.